possible so that everybody can record and see?
मैडम मोबाइल मांगेगा तुझा
अनिता जी मोबाइल
ओ मैडम मोबाइल मांगेगा तुझा
रश्मिका यहाँ पे
केयरफुल केयरफुल
अरे थांबा एक मिनिट थांबा
चौपट गया
सपोर्ट लेगा तो हिलेगा तो मारता है
ओहो
बोला माइक का आवाज नहीं है माइक का माइक बंद है
आवाज लो है
थोड़ा जोर से बोलना
ये ठीक है? एक ही बात कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं बहुत प्रिविलेज्ड हूँ, ऑनर्ड हूँ और लक्ष्मण सर, नीनू सर और विकी को
वन सेकंड दादा थोड़ा नीचे उनको बिल्कुल नहीं थोड़ा नीचे दादा थोड़ा नीचे सब नीचे सबको बैठेंगे
अच्छा आप लोग 2 मिनट बैठ जाओगे थोड़ा. Is your leg okay?
well, not so much today, but
for our good luck you taken break a leg too seriously
हाथ
You
निकाल
look so elegant and so regal. अच्छा अगर अच्छा ठीक है 2 मिनट खाली देखिए प्लीज अगर आप लोग एक इंच नीचे हो जाओगे 1 इंच नीचे.
सामने देख
the most
एक ही गांव वाले लड़ रहे
privileged and the most special thing that I could ask for in this lifetime. And I was just telling Lakshman sir, I feel like after this, I'm happy enough to retire. Thank you.
We want to see you more and more and more for the lifetime.
No, the thing is, I'm not someone who cries, just like that. But this trailer choked me up so much.
भव्य थोड़ा लेफ्ट लेना थोड़ा लेफ्ट
Vicky, what you've pulled up. What was that? I said, he looks like, I don't know, he almost looks like God. Like he is Chava. Like it's incredible. Congratulations.
Absolutely, congratulations the entire team for doing this. 14th Feb is when Chava comes out.
This is the second collaboration with.
शांत रहा ना क्या है
पूछने तो ना सवाल.
प्रश्न विचारना
Second collaboration with my dolphins and Lakshman sir. How did it feel to bring this character to life? What was this personally and professionally mean to you? What changed?
जब हम तैयारी शुरू कर रहे थे छावा की मैं लक्ष्मण सर से रोज मिलता था. हम स्क्रिप्ट पे बैठते थे, हिस्ट्री पे बैठते थे, सारी रिसर्च करते थे. मेरे पास बहुत सवाल होते थे कि अच्छा फिर क्या हुआ था. बट इवेंचुअली आफ्टर नोइंग ऑल द हिस्ट्री, आफ्टर नोइंग ऑल द रिसर्च, मैंने सर से ये पूछा था कि सर मैं तैयारी क्या करूँ, कैसे प्ले करूँ, मुझे कुछ तो बताओ मैं क्या करूँ. एंड ही जस्ट गिव मी वन ब्रीफ थ्रू आउट द शूट. ही सेड विकी मुझे शेर चाहिए. एंड दैट्स ऑल ही सेड. वो चले तो शेर, वो दहाड़े तो शेर, वो लड़े तो शेर, वो चुप तो शेर, वो नाचे तो शेर. वो शेर है.
क्या बात है
एंड दैट्स ऑल ही सेड टू मी कि और कुछ मत सोचना. In every cell of your body you should feel like a lion. And I really hope and pray that जब लोग 14 फरवरी को फिल्म देखें they feel that.
It is deep for now.
Thank you.
Rashmika, playing this role of Yasubai Yatu Maharani must be a deeply enriching experience for you. As I asked you, what was a life-changing moment for you for this part? Hi. Hi guys. ले लो.
या एक ही बार होता है.
मैं आंसर करूं?
यस यस यस
पहले तो I remember being absolutely shocked कि how did Lakshman sir how did sir even think of giving me a role like this to play? I think I just surrendered because I didn't know, like he said, you don't have a reference, right? You're like, it's a story, you know their story, and there's such majestical, you know, impactful characters, personalities. How do you play them? I think for me specifically, I just surrendered, dived into what Lakshman sir wanted. There was of course a lot of rehearsals and practice in terms of language and everything. But it's just the trust you have on the team, because you know that if someone has to pull this off, you just should not have any sort of barriers of yourself. You just have to come here and say, sir, I am all in. Whatever you ask for, I'm here to deliver. And that's what you're seeing on screen today.
When I see your trailers, I see that a star is born each day, every time. मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि you told the brief Lakshman sir gave to you, but what did you do to make the character your own? And the last scene, the scene with the lion, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए, if you can. I think see, हमारा सबका काम as actors बहुत आसान इसलिए हो गया था. I remember every time मुझे confidence चाहिए होता था, I used to look at Lakshman sir. Because Lakshman sir ने मुझे एक बात बोली थी कि Vicky, this film is personal for me. And when a director says that, you get so much confidence because you know that जो भी इस फिल्म में होगा, जैसे भी शूट होगा, जो सीन्स लिखे जाएंगे, it's going to be sincere, earnest, and it's going to be authentic. तो मेरी तरफ से, of course, there was a lot of action training in terms of physicality of the character, everything went in. इससे पहले मैंने सैम बहादुर खत्म की थी, and then I took a 7-month break to prep for this film, to gain some weight, beard, hair, everything, action training, sword fighting, horse riding, everything. But important thing was to get the spirit of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, and उसके लिए I would just keep looking to Lakshman sir. एक और चीज बहुत हेल्प करती थी कि Lakshman sir, since the day that we have started discussing Chhaava, he's called me, he's only said Razedu. He's never called me by my name. फोन पे हो या इन पर्सन हो या शूट हो, वो आज तक वो मुझे राजे ही बुलाते हैं. एंड आई डोंट नो, वो एक जब आपके डायरेक्टर आप में इतना कॉन्फिडेंस फूंक देते हैं ना, वो आप खुद वैसे देखने लग जाते हो खुद को. एंड आई ओनली हैव लक्ष्मण सर टू थैंक फॉर दैट ही मेड मी रियली जस्ट, ही हेल्ड माय हैंड एंड टुक मी इनटू दैट वर्ल्ड. द लायन सीक्वेंस, देखिए जब भी आप छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज के बारे में गूगल करेंगे, जिनको नहीं पता होगा, तो एक इमेज जो पहली आती है वो ये आती है कि वो शेर का मुंह फाड़ने की एक इमेज आती है. ये उनकी एक बहुत एक गाथा है. तो ऑब्वियसली वी हैड टू पे रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट मोमेंट, दैट सीन, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज डिस्प्लेड इन द फिल्म. हाउ इट कम्स, वेयर इट कम्स, एंड हाउ इट्स एक्सिक्यूटेड, वी लीव इट for the people to experience that in the theaters. But it was for me, it's something I've never done before. So it was a great experience, and I was in the able hands of Lakshman sir and all the
Congratulations to the entire team of Chhaava. This is what we say magnum opus.
This is what we say.
Magnum opus.
ये मैंने जिंदगी में पहली बार सुना है अपनी फिल्म में. This is what we say magnum opus.
Yes. Rashmika, Mumbai ki Tirigi Swagatam.
Oh, thank you.
This is your first big budget huge with Medoc. You are a queen of blockbusters now. First choice of every production house, whether it's north, whether it's south. How has it been with Medoc? Also the second one, Thama, so it's like you are our favorite now.
I feel like Medoc is the only production house which can really get me out of my comfort zone. Dino sir will sit and say, this you have to do. As in, I will like, me, you think I can do it? He will make sure that I do it and it looks like it's the best work till date. That's that's somehow that's his power. Like I think that also explains the box offices he's been delivering. But for me as an artist, it's a blessing that I get to work with people like Dino sir, Lakshman sir, Vicky, with the commitment and the dedication he has. I'm just considering myself extremely privileged and extremely lucky right now. And I'm not someone who tears up generally, but looking at this trailer, I'm like, I'm on the edge right now. I'm like, don't lose it. He only, again, like Vicky said, he used to only call me Maharani. And beginning, I used to be like, sir, don't say that, like, I don't know. But even
Lakshman sir, sorry I'm cutting you, but he is the sweetest, the calmest, most. मैं कितनी बार मैं बैठा रहता था और मैं सेट पे देखता था कि कुछ ऐसा हो गया. कितनी बार हमारे पास 2000 जूनियर्स हैं, 50-100 घोड़े हैं, हाथी हैं, शेर है, सब कुछ चल रहा था और उसके बीच में कुछ ना कुछ ऊपर नीचे होता है. मुझे लगता था अब फटेंगे, अब फाइनली जाके इनके अंदर का छावा निकलेगा. He would be so calm. He would be so like हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, प्यार मोहब्बत से पूरी टीम को साथ में लेकर, and that's the only way this film could have been possible, and that credit goes to Lakshman sir.
he's the nicest man you will ever meet in anywhere.
हाँ वही
Like, he's the nicest man. And you also feel very protected.